Hi, Sally here, and today I'm going to assemble a box card. So I bought this file from Lori Whitlock, and I've already assembled a lot of it. So it comes with the base, and then you have these little panels. And it was actually a spring theme, but I changed it to be a thank you. My daughter wants a thank you note for a teacher that she was working with, and so it cuts out these panels, and then I emboss them with my music embossing folder, and then these are the panels that are going to decorate. This will be the outside, and this is the back, and then it comes with this little fold to put your little elements on. And so the teacher plays the snare drum, and so I created this. So I'm just going to glue it flat onto the back. I want to make sure that it's, same height as the card. And these drumsticks stick out a little bit, but I think it will be okay. I'm just going to glue it straight down to the back. Glue on these a little ways up. This file was free on my Cricut Access. It had many, many layers. So it's nice and thick. Pretty cool. I made some of the layers that were different colors the same colors, so. Okay, so then I was going to have some music notes, and they were going to be in the middle. I don't know if you know how, maybe I ought to show you how a box card works. So this panel will get glued to the back, and it will stand up like this, and then this will be a little Z fold in the middle with the elements glued to these straight parts here. So this is just going to get glued straight to the front, and I'm trying to decide, maybe I'll glue these on after I put these in. I think that would be easiest, and I think it would be easiest to glue this before I close the box. So I'm going to put glue on here. And then this gets lined up straight with the top edge, and it should fit right in between those score lines. So now I'm gonna glue this to the back. And I might cut out a piece to glue on the back here, because sometimes box cards have a panel on the back where you can write a message to your recipient. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little glue on this panel. Position that where it needs to go. And then glue that one in. Okay, now I just took a piece of hard plastic packaging and cut some little strips. I don't know if you can see, and I'm going to glue my elements. Oh, I forgot to, well, maybe I don't want one right at the front. And so I'm going to glue these onto here so that they look like they're popping up. I think I'll use glue dots for that. These are kind of big, so I'm going to cut them in half. Oh, well, maybe. There. Okay, it's kind of blobby, but I think it'll work. Maybe I'll put that one right at the front. Put the other half of the glue dot down on the plastic. I'm gonna put it on the front piece of my little plastic. And stick that right there. When you're putting on your things, you just want to make sure that they're not going to be taller than this. I mean, those are, but I kind of wish I'd used double-sided paper for this. But I think that does it. So then you just go like this and fold it down. Oh, I don't think I quite got that in the right spot, but we'll fold it to where it works. Okay. There we go. Like I said, I got this file from, oh sorry you can't see, from Lori Whitlock, and I can leave a link in the description for the card. It looks different than this for sure. It had a cute little bee and a little flower and some little clouds and stuff. So I just changed it to make it work for my occasion. Okay, just thought I'd pop back on here and show you what it looks like. I'm gonna glue this panel. I'm lining it up with the bottom of this panel here. And there we go. Now she'll have a place where she can write a message right here. And it should fit in an envelope. Let me find one. Well, okay, I have these A2 envelopes. Not quite. It's a little bit wider than this envelope. But it's so close. Let me see if I've got any that are just a tad bit bigger. Okay, I found this one. Should easily fit in this envelope. And then that little drumstick poking out will not be a problem. There we go. So then it just pops open like that. I think it's pretty cute. All right. Thanks for watching.